Alright, so in this video, I'm going to show you how you can batch generate dozens of branded stickers using AI. This, for example, was created using Gemini Nano Banana 2, the best image model at the moment. And this was possible because I was using a node called list. Basically, this is a feature in Freepik Spaces. And essentially, you just need to upload one single image of the sticker or character. And then later, you can provide some variations like expression, style, outfit, or perhaps a holiday event, for example. And then later, AI can generate multiple variations of that picture, and since it is consistent, you can expect the same character but with different styles or variations. So this is very useful, and later you can use the stickers on perhaps your marketing campaign. And I actually saw many companies started using a sort of sticker or mascot into their product or even marketing campaign. And sometimes you can even print the sticker into a physical item, and you can include that into the product packaging itself. Actually, so many brands did the same thing. So that's actually adding some personality to the product. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can build your own workflow in Freepik Spaces that lets you batch generate lots of branded stickers in one go. And this is actually a very simple workflow. Don't worry about it. I'm going to show you the step-by-step process to generate this workflow that can be used over and over again. So first, you need to navigate to freepik.com and you can log in with your own account. Now, if you don't have an account on this platform, I guess you can check the link in the description down below. But anyway, right here in Freepik, you can access lots of different AI models like the video model, image model, audio model, and there is even a sort of assistant feature like ChatGPT is also available in this platform. Now, the step number one is, of course, you need to prepare the sticker or the character that you want to bulk generate later. Now, if you don't have any sticker, you can actually navigate to this menu called image generator, and then you can start generating a picture. So this is one example that I'm going to use later, but this is the prompt that I use. If you are interested, you can check this prompt in the description down below. And of course, you need to provide your own character design and perhaps variation. So this is the prompt, and basically just use the prompt, and then you can put it right here and select the model, which in this case you can use Nano Banana 2 or perhaps any other model, and then click generate to get the sticker design. Now after that, we can navigate to a feature called Spaces and click new space. And I'm going to show you the step-by-step process to generate the workflow. And this is actually a lot simpler because we are going to utilize a new node called list. Don't worry about that. I'm going to show you how. So right here, we have to click this plus button, add a node. And then we want to use a node called assistant. So you can click this assistant. And okay, there you go. So right here, we can do some testing first. So let's say, suggest me a list of 12 different expressions that people can use on a sticker or emoji. Okay, that's going to be my instruction. And the model is, well, I just used GPT-5 mini. I think you can use a different model, but for this simple task, I think using a small model is good enough. And for the export format, I prefer list. Now just do a testing first. I'm going to click this and just wait until it finished. It should give you the result any second now. It's very quick. And there you go. So it would generate a list that look like this. So this is the list that was automatically generated. And yeah, these are the characters or the expressions that later we can turn into a different variation of stickers. Okay, so this is the result. And yeah, I guess I'm going to change settings to replace items. So the next time I want to, let's say, generate a new list, again, I can have a different name right here. So I'll select this setting. Now, after that, we need to turn this into an image. And to do that, you can click this and then you can drag it anywhere. And then select image generator. There you go. And right here, this is the prompt that I'm going to use. Okay, so this is the prompt. Again, you can get this prompt in the description down below if you want to use it. And let me just go back. I'm going to paste it right here, or just press, Ctrl V. And I do recommend to add the previous list, so you can click the type the add character and then list. So just select this list. So basically, this prompt will be used for, let's say, this, for this, etc. until it finishes. So it can run up to 12 times depending on the number of the items in the previous list. So this is the prompt that I'm going to use. And of course, we want to use the best AI model at the moment, which is Nano Banana 2. And I'll just find Nano Banana 2. That's the best model at the moment. And you can choose the resolution, you can choose the aspect ratio, but I'll just use 1:1 aspect ratio. And then how about the picture? I mean, we haven't provided any sticker that we just created earlier. Well, don't worry, you can click this and then drag it anywhere. And then, click assets. And then you can select the picture that you just created earlier. And in this case, I'm going to select this crocodile sticker, add media. Okay, I'll make sure that it is connected. There you go. So it's going to be used as a reference image. So this is the picture. Now, after that, you can click this and then create a new node. And we want to use list again. So this is where all the images will be generated. You can see all the images right here. So this is the prompt, the workflow that I just created. As you can see, it is quite simple. We just done that in just 2 or maybe 3 minutes. And yeah, if you're ready, you can start running the whole thing. So let's start with this. I'm going to click the first node, which is the assistant node, and then make sure that we want to run everything. So run from here. Click this and just wait for the result. So it might take quite a while, and I guess I'll just skip a while and I'll show you all the stickers, the branded stickers that were batch generated by this workflow. Alright, so finally I got the result, and here I have all the 12 stickers that were batch generated using the list node. So of course, if you want to, let's say, create a different sticker again, perhaps for a different season or marketing campaign, you can go back to the assistant node right here, and then you can use a different prompt to get a different style or variation. So you can use this workflow over and over again, and because of this list node, it is becoming a lot easier to manage, and also it is not overwhelming to work with. So this is the benefit of using the list node in Freepik Spaces. Now, after that, here, I guess I'm going to show you how you can, incorporate that into your marketing photo, for example. So I'll just use the regular image generator because I think that's just a lot simpler. Now, let me just navigate to image generator. And you should be able to see the stickers, the images that you just created earlier. Okay, there you go. Now, on the photo that you want to edit, you can open it. So this is a picture that I created in the image generator tool. I'm going to open it, and I'm going to edit this picture. So I'm going to click edit image, and then let me just click add reference creations. And then you can select the sticker that you just created using the Freepik Spaces tool. So let me try maybe this one. Add media, and for the prompt I'll just use this one. It's just telling AI that I want to have that sticker incorporated like it was physically there in the photo. So for the model, again, I'll just use Nano Banana 2 because that's just the best model at the moment. Click this and just wait for the result. Well, finally I got the result. So this is the sticker, and as you can see, it is well integrated into the product photo and it blends really well. And if you like it, you can click the export button to save the image to your computer. So that's basically how you can batch generate anything, which in this case a branded sticker, using a feature called Freepik Spaces, and particularly we are using a node called list, which will simplify lots of things in your workflow design. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on my next video. I wish you a great day ahead.